Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in into your QuickTrip employee account. To do so, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and search for QuickTrip employee login. It will show you this interface. Over here, click on the first option, Employee Login QuickTrip. It will take you to the official website to log in into your QuickTrip Employee Portal account. Now over here, enter your username like this and password over here in the appropriate fields like this. And click on the login button. You should be able to log in into your QuickTrip employee account. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.